Hi and welcome back to my video. My name's Erica. Today we are unboxing the 2023 Fat Quarter Shop Cupid Box. So if you don't know what the Cupid Box is, it is a seasonal box put out by Fat Quarter Shop. It's got all kinds of fun sewing notions, goodies, patterns, and fabric inside. We're going to take a look and see what's inside all of this, but I will make sure to link the box below as well so you can head over to the Fat Quarter Shop website and get all of the information from there and possibly order your Cupid Box. The Cupid Boxes are $34.99 plus a $4.99 reservation fee. So Fat Quarter Shop puts out seasonal boxes. They have a patriotic box, the Cupid Box, they have a jolly box, Christmas time, and so lots of fun, and then they usually have a Halloween box. So they do major seasonal boxes. They're a lot of fun, and they have specialty items in there that you're not going to be able to find anywhere else. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside. So here is the cover for the Cupid Box. I apologize for the harsh lighting. I've got snow outside today, so my fake lights are on, which is always hard to film with. There is a coupon code on the back for a free magnetic needle case with a $25 purchase. And these needle cases are great. I use them for my cross-stitching needles. They're magnetic, and so you flip them up, your needles stick inside there, and then you can just throw them in your bag and you don't have to worry about your needles getting lost in your bag. And so if you purchase, make sure to use your coupon and get your free needle box. So we're actually gonna start off with this little bonus item. I don't have a price value for it because it is a bonus with the thread or with the fabric roll that is coming in this month's box. And this is just a cute little cutter opener by the Featherweight Shop. If you've never seen the Featherweight Shop before, they sell vintage featherweights. They have services for your vintage featherweight, Singer featherweights. They also have like service kits for them. They have video tutorials. They have all kind of fun goodies on their website. So if you haven't checked them out, I highly recommend it. And that is a bonus item for our fabric pack in this box. This is the XOXO 20-piece 2.5-inch strip roll by Heather Lee Chan for Clothworks. This is valued at $24.98, and it says, "We are head over heels for this enchanting Valentine's Day themed line. XOXO by Heather Lee Chan for Clothworks fabrics. Hearts and flowers are embellished with vintage trucks and bicycles and pretty plaids and XOXO designs to boot. In romantic shades of red, pink, and aqua, you will cherish every single print in this exclusive 20-piece XOXO strip roll." So this is really cute. I've never seen it. These are basically like the jelly roll strips. I've never really seen them packed like this. Wow, we're starting off the year strong. We've already got bloopers for our very first unboxing. But look at it. This is really, really cute. And the fabric is cute. The color palette is adorable. I always love when they mix the pinks with aquas. That's probably and reds. It's one of my favorite color combinations. And so this is really cute. And then of course the little bonus featherweight cutter. The next thing in our box is this 50 weight Aurifil 100% cotton Mako thread. This retails at $13.48. Boy, thread has really gone up this last year. Am I right? But Aurifil is my all-time favorite thread. I always use this style. This color is adorable. It's a super hot pink. It is color 2530. So a really fun hot pink color, and it says a quilter can never have enough thread, and we are surprising you with a lovely shade of red or pink. Aurifil thread, the quality and strength of this 50 weight thread are what we love from Aurifil, and there are 1,422 yards on each spool to keep you sewing happily ever after. And this is an adorable color, and of course it matches our fabric for this box perfectly. The pattern that comes in this box is called Heartstrings Quilt Pattern. This is by Fat Quarter Shop. It retails for $9.98. And it said, "This quilt was designed to tug at your heartstrings. The Heartstrings Quilt Pattern is sweet and simple, showing off easy heart blocks that will take your breath away." It's a picture pair with the XOXO strip roll in this box. A finishing kit is available at Fat Quarter Shop. And here is some information on the back. This is what the actual kind of overall quilt looks like. It looks like it finishes at 32 by 44. So it's a pretty small little kind of wall hanging quilt, but just like any other quilt, you really could just make several more of these blocks and make it any size you want. And of course, it's meant to go with the little fabric strips in this month's box. The other thing included in this box is a Quilt As You Go pre-marked batting. And this is valued at $9.98, and it says 2.5-inch strip mug mats. The Quilt As You Go 2.5-inch strip mug mats by June Taylor are the perfect project for a coffee date at home. Just follow the instructions to add 2.5-inch wide strips for an easy project that will keep your mugs sweet and snug. Try it out with the XOXO strip in this month's box. And here's kind of I mean, you can see it on the front too, but here's kind of what the markings on the batting look like. I've never actually used one of these, so if you've used one of these, let me know in the comments below. Part of my thing with batting is it's a little bit stretchy, and when I'm, you know, when you're sewing on batting, it kind of pushes out. So I'm wondering or curious if the lines on here get distorted at all as you're sewing with it. So it looks like they have 3 different projects for you to work on here. So I think they're all 3 included in the batting. They have instructions on how to do it in this little insert right here, how to put them all together. So super helpful. But like I said, I've never actually used this kind of batting before. So I would love to hear if any of you guys have used it and what you think of it. I think maybe it doesn't stretch enough that it matters. Maybe it would, you know, maybe it's totally fine. I don't know. I've never seen this before, so I'm kind of interested to try it. Okay, and then our last thing, and this is actually possibly one of my favorite things. This is the magnetic heart pincushion slap bracelet. This is by Gypsy Quilter. It retails for $11.48. So I went ahead and took it out of the package so you can see it, and I actually use one of these with my long arm because it just snaps on your wrist, as I try and demo and it doesn't work. There we go. So it just snaps on your wrist like this. I'm sorry, it's probably glaring you to death. And then you can put your pins on it. It's magnetic, and so it's really easy for you to grab your pins and just do whatever you need to do, or you pull your pins out and stick them back on there. So this is actually really fun. You can use it for cross stitch, embroidery, anything like that. So let's read on. It says, don't deny the attraction. This magnetic heart pincushion slap band bracelet is one that will pick up all the pins that are strewn about after each sewing session. Simply wave the heart-shaped mat and pincushion over any loose pins, slap the band on your wrist, and you're ready to sew on. So this is really cute. I was actually quite excited. I do have one of these downstairs by my long arm, but I was actually kind of excited to see this in this year's box. All right, that's everything in this year's Cupid box. The total value for the box is $69.90. So I think that's a great value. I'm actually really quite excited about everything in this box. The pattern's adorable. The fabric is adorable. I love the little slap bracelet, and I'm interested to try that June Taylor Quilt As You Go batting. That's just really interesting to me because I have never tried that before. So let me know in the comments below what your favorite thing from this year's Cupid box was. And don't forget, I will put a link on where you can get more information from them and order your own Cupid box below this video. That's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for hanging out with me, and I will see you in the next one.